In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace a rear wiper arm on a Grand Cherokee. All right, with a body trim tool or a small screwdriver, we're going to pop this plastic cap off. Just reach underneath there and give it a little pop off. Just like that. 13mm socket. Just give it a good pull. Now, I would normally take this and use this in my favor by lifting up on the arm and then pushing back down. Seeing if I can get it. And I did. This is where you're going to want to take a wire brush to that, clean that up, because you want the knurls to be really fresh so that they grab the new aluminum arm. I'm going to take the new arm. I'm going to place it down, pull up on that, just like that. Make sure it seats right where I want it to be, right there. And I'm going to put the nut on. Start it by hand. You're going to watch that base. It's kind of tilted at an angle right now. You want it to be flat, so you're going to snug this down till it, you can watch that fold right in. See it? Don't over tighten it, just give a good, once it bottoms out, 1/8 of a turn. And now you can put the cap back on. Just snap it back on. And we get ready to put the wiper blade back. So with the old arm, I've got the wiper blade on there. I'm gonna pivot it so you can see that pin. Now most people would think you squeeze it, but you actually pull down on that tab and then pull towards you. See that loop in there? You discard the old arm. We're going to pull that out, slide right in, and then I'm just going to slide it so you hear it click. Ooh. You'll hear it a little click, lock into place, and yes, you do want this seated right here, not on the glass. That way you can open the glass to get into the back compartment. When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.